Welcome, and thank you for joining us for this installation of your digital wallet and the minting of Hamilton Glass's NFT. The first step will be to head over to the site metamask.io. Here you're going to want to install your browser extension that will enable you to access your digital wallet. This step's pretty straightforward, simple sort of download and install. They'll ask you for a password to secure your new digital wallet. And once you've done that, though, there's a unique step here, which is this security recovery phrase. This is very important that you keep this. I like to keep a screenshot of it and secure it in a safe place, but you're also going to want to set it aside because you're going to need it on the next step, because MetaMask is going to challenge you to make sure that you actually did pay attention and keep the security phrase. So I like to put them a little bit side by side, makes it somewhat easier for me to work my way through this process. But once you see these prompts come up, you need to fill in the missing words in the security phrase so that you can continue on with the process. Once you've done that, you've installed your wallet and you're ready to start and go forward. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is change the default network. So by default, the system starts you on Ethereum, and you can change that going up into the right-hand corner and adding a new network. We're going to be working on the Polygon mainnet, and its currency is called MATIC. So go ahead and add that to your wallet, and now your system is configured for Polygon. The next step would be to fund your wallet. So in this process, we need to convert US dollars into the MATIC currency. The token costs 18 MATIC, so we're going to want to make sure we get in there so a little bit over that, so we have some buffer room. So I like to use a site called MoonPay that enables you to use a credit card to purchase cryptocurrencies for a pretty competitive rate. So go ahead and create an account with MoonPay. It's going to go through a number of verification steps. I'll kind of fast forward through those, but once you've gone through, created your account, set it up, paid it, funded it either with a credit, debit, or your bank account, you'll be good to go. It'll take a few minutes probably for the transaction to settle, but once you've completed the payment, you can go ahead and head over to the rvatech website to mint your NFT. So the address is rvatech/Hamilton Glass. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your digital wallet is connected to the site. This should happen automatically, but if it doesn't, you can hit the Fox icon in the extension window, and that will enable you to make the connection. And then scroll down to the Mint button, go ahead and press Mint, which will trigger your wallet with a transaction, and will ask you to confirm. And once you've done that, at that point, once you confirm it, the sale will be complete. If you don't see that happen, you can try to connect again, or if you get a pop-up dialog window, you'll get one here that says you're not connected to the mainnet, or if you don't have a balance greater than 18, you'll be unable to collect the NFT. But if you have been successful in buying the NFT, if you want to browse it, I suggest you head over to a website called OpenSea.io. This website will enable you to see all of the NFTs that you've collected, plus you can buy, sell, and resell the NFTs that you have here. And so switch over to the account that you have, you just purchased your NFT. You'll see it there in your collection for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching.